2018 Duramax. Throwing some injector control circuit codes. Anyway, these connectors are real bad about going black and causing intermittent connections, loose terminals, so we're going to replace this. Alright, got it all wired in, ready to put it together and clear the code. So here's a close-up. See that black in there, needs replaced. All back together, time to clear some codes. Alright, time to clear them codes out. Another one fixed, but have to drive it still. We'll see what goes happening after that. Alright, we're on